So I learned today why cormorants, here we are in Narragansett Bay, but they open their wings because they don't have a lot of oil in their fur, and they get weighted down so they can dive deep for bait. It's 5 o'clock on Narragansett Bay, and the egrets are in, the swans are in, the cormorants are in, the mallards are in. Oh yeah, seagulls, always the seagulls. And there is a, yeah, this is my favorite spot, and it's peaceful. There is a blue heron that flies here every day, but I haven't seen it this evening. That's the cormorant's favorite log